Yo, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new world that is coming to Thorpe Park in spring 2024, which is going to be replacing the old Angry Birds land at the park. Now, this was literally just released on Thorpe Park's social media pages, and the new name for this area is going to be called Big Easy Boulevard. So, obviously, taking away all the Angry Birds theming and theming it to a whole new theme. So it's going to be very good to see, because obviously Angry Birds Land has been at the park for some time now, and to be fair, I don't really think it kind of fits into Thorpe Park really that much anymore. You know, it was good to see when it first came, but now it definitely does need a retheme and a replacement. But I'm sure you're all wondering what's going to happen to the current rides there. So we've got obviously Detonator and we've got the Dodgems. So they are going to be staying. So we're still going to be able to ride the classic Detonator ride, but obviously they're going to retheme it into the new land. So looking forward to seeing how that's going to look. I mean, they have put on some concept art, so I will put some of that up as well now. And as you can see, I think Detonator definitely does look a whole lot better themed in this theming than it does to Angry Birds. And then obviously the Dodgems is also going to get a retheme. So I'm just going to read out on the post that Thorpe Park will put on, while I'll put some other images up of the area about what they've said about everything that is coming to this brand new area at the park. So the post says, step into Big Easy Boulevard and let the good times roll. Set to open in spring 2024. Take a stroll down Big Easy Boulevard and immerse yourself in the carefree atmosphere and exhilarating energy that fills the street. Here life is a breeze, as the locals have mastered the art of not making things too seriously. It's the perfect place to let loose, seize the moment, and create unforgettable memories with your friends and family. Experience epic thrills and laughter-packed rides at the Freedom Firework Camp. Every day is the 4th of July, so brace yourself for the ultimate adrenaline rush on Detonator. So obviously that is staying. Our drop tower ride that sends you plummeting 100 feet to an epic finale. Fuel the fun on the Dodgems, our classic bumper car ride that guarantees laughter for the whole family. So obviously those two rides are definitely staying. It's been confirmed. And it says, don't miss out on the sensory delights at the cinema. Immerse yourself in the 4D movie at the cinema, where you'll be treated to a thrilling multi-sensory experience, prepared to be transported into a world of sights, sounds and surprises with our new blockbuster. So the 4D cinema is going to get a retheme and a new show, so that is really good to see. Satisfy your sweet tooth. What's a stroll down Big Easy Boulevard without indulging in the delights of the neighbourhood? Satisfy your sweet tooth with a visit to Candy Pip's Sweet Easy, stacked from floor to ceiling with all the sweet treats your heart desires. Join the fun in 2024, embrace the thrilling adventure and vibrant energy of Big Easy Boulevard. Let the good times roll as you explore this lively neighbourhood and create memories that will stay with you long after your visit. And then obviously it's just the photos that have been put on about the concept art of the new area. It's really good that Thorpe Park are investing. Obviously we've got Hyperia coming next year as well as this new area. So very, very good to see that things are coming into Thorpe Park, because it has been a while since anything new has come to the park. So all we need to know, it's a retheme of the Angry Birds land. Detonator, the Dodgems and the 4D cinema is going to remain all in there, obviously just with the rethemes, and it is coming in spring of 2024 if everything goes to plan. So can't wait to get to the park next year and to experience obviously Hyperia, the new roller coaster, and also this new area to see how that looks. So that is everything for this video today. Make sure you subscribe, because we are going to a lot of Christmas events this year, including Alton Towers, Chessington and Drayton Manor. So make sure you're subscribed, and we'll be covering everything Christmas in the festive season at those parks. But as always, if you did all enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as always, thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.